Have you heard about the singing sands of Namibia?
Namibia, known for its vast deserts and unique wildlife, hides an extraordinary secret. In the Namib Desert, you can find singing sand dunes. When the wind blows or people step on them, these dunes produce a deep humming sound like a low-flying plane or a distant symphony. This phenomenon happens because of the sand grains' specific size and shape, which cause them to vibrate together perfectly. Scientists believe that dry conditions and uniform sand grains are key to this mysterious melody. But standing amidst these dunes, hearing the natural song of the earth, is something beyond scientific explanation. It's an experience that leaves visitors in awe, offering a magical tune in one of the most arid places on the planet. So next time you think of deserts as silent and lifeless, remember the singing sands of Namibia.
Did you know? The surprising use of natural paint by the Sand People.
The Sand People, one of the oldest ethnic groups in the world, are often called Bushmen. Living in the Kalahari Desert, they have a fascinating tradition of using natural materials for body paint. What makes this especially cool is that they don't use store-bought paint. Instead, they create vibrant colors from materials found in nature. Red paint comes from crushed ochre rocks, white is made from clay, and black is derived from charcoal. They use this paint in ceremonies and rituals to tell stories and honor their gods. The colors also protect their skin from the sun. This practice not only shows their creativity, but also their deep connection to the land.
Did you know about Poland's magical fish princess?
In Poland, there's an enchanting legend about a magical fish princess named Księżniczka Rybka. Long ago, in a small village near a deep, mysterious lake, there lived a beautiful princess who was cursed by an evil witch. The curse transformed her into a golden fish, doomed to swim the lake's depths. However, the curse could be broken if a kind-hearted person caught her and recognized her true form. One day, a humble fisherman cast his net and caught the golden fish. As he gazed into her eyes, he felt a deep sense of sorrow and empathy. Recognizing the humanity within, he gently placed her back into the water, breaking the witch's curse. The fish transformed back into the princess, and out of gratitude she granted the fisherman 3 wishes. He used his wishes wisely, improving the lives of everyone in the village. Since then, the legend of Księżniczka Rybka has been passed down through generations, reminding everyone of the power of kindness and recognition of true beauty.
Norway's midnight sun, where night turns into day.
Did you know that in Norway, the sun never sets for several weeks in the summer? This fascinating phenomenon is called the midnight sun. From late May to late July, places in Norway above the Arctic Circle, like Tromsø, experience continuous daylight. Imagine going for a midnight hike, having a late-night barbecue, or even playing a round of golf at 2 a.m., all in broad daylight. This can mess with your body clock, so locals often use blackout curtains to simulate nighttime. It's a unique natural experience that draws tourists from around the world. If you've ever wanted to experience endless days filled with sunlight, Norway should definitely be on your travel bucket list.
Did you know about the Brazilian Sasipelere?
In the heart of Brazil's rich folklore lies the tale of Sasipelere, a mischievous one-legged boy who loves to play pranks on anyone who crosses his path. Sasipelere is often depicted wearing a red cap that gives him magical powers, such as teleportation, invisibility, and the ability to create whirlwinds. According to the legend, he appears mainly at dusk or during nighttime, hopping through the forests and countryside. Sasipelere is known to hide items, tangle hair, and even sour milk. Despite his tricks, many believe that capturing his red cap makes him grant wishes. However, catching Sasipelere is no easy task. He can turn into a bird and escape. This character, originating from indigenous Tupi-Guarani culture, then evolving through African and Portuguese influences, represents the blend of Brazil's cultural heritage. Next time you lose something mysteriously, you might just blame it on the playful Sasipelere.
Did you know? The forgotten chemist who improved your life.
Let's talk about Alice Ball. Have you ever heard of her? Probably not. Alice Ball was a trailblazing chemist who made a significant impact in medicine. Born in 1892, she became the first woman and first African American to earn a master's degree from the University of Hawaii. But here's the fun fact. Alice developed the ball method, which was the most effective treatment for leprosy until the 1940s. She figured out how to make the oil from the chalmugra tree injectable, making it a life-saving treatment for people suffering from this then-feared disease. Unfortunately, she passed away at just 24, and her groundbreaking work was wrongly credited to another scientist for years. Today, we remember Alice Ball as a pioneer who made an immense difference in the field of chemistry and medicine.
Have you heard the whispering ghost of Jamaica? In the heart of Jamaica, there is a little-known but chilling folktale about the rolling calf. This legend portrays a ghostly creature that roams the countryside at night. The rolling calf is often depicted as a large, fierce bull with blazing red eyes and a metallic chain clanking around its body. According to the tale, the rolling calf is the restless spirit of an old sugar plantation overseer who was cruel to the enslaved people. He now roams the lands as a terrifying specter, haunting anyone who crosses his path. Locals say that the rolling calf can be heard before it is seen, as it whispers ominously and drags its heavy chains on the ground. To escape its wrath, they say you must break a branch off a tree or throw something behind you while running, as the rolling calf is compelled to pause and count every twig or item. This eerie legend is a reminder of Jamaica's complex history and the rich folklore that continues to be passed down through generations.
Ever heard of the Firewalking Festival?
In Malaysia, there exists a fascinating ethnic group known as the Tamil Malaysians, who have preserved a captivating tradition called the Thaipusam Firewalking Festival. During this festival, courageous participants walk barefoot over burning hot coals to show their devotion and spiritual resilience. This ritual is performed to honor Lord Murugan, a significant deity in Tamil Hinduism. The preparation for this event is just as intriguing. The devotees undergo a strict 48-day cleansing period, observing a vegetarian diet, fasting, and frequent temple visits to purify their minds and bodies. The festival is not only a testament to their faith, but also showcases the Tamil Malaysians' rich cultural heritage. This unique tradition continues to draw attention from around the world, captivating anyone who witnesses the firewalkers' that fearless display of dedication and spiritual strength.
The fox goblin who saved autumn.
In Sweden, there is an ancient folktale about the Skogsrå, a mysterious forest creature with fox-like features. One autumn, the leaves refused to fall, causing chaos in the forest. Animals were confused, and the forest was in disarray. The wise old owl advised the creatures to seek the Skogsrå, who was known for her magical influence over the forest. A tiny mouse ventured deep into the heart of the forest and found the Skogsrå, who had been sleeping. When the mouse explained the forest's trouble, the Skogsrå immediately awoke and called upon her powers. With a wave of her hand, the leaves began gently falling, painting the forest in brilliant reds and golds. Balance was restored, and the animals rejoiced. The Skogsrå returned to her slumber, but not before thanking the brave mouse. Since then, it's believed that the Skogsrå wakes every autumn to ensure the season's arrival, maintaining the forest's harmony.
The Enchanted River, Philippines' aquatic mystery.
Nestled in the remote jungles of the Philippines lies a mysterious body of water known as the Hinatuan Enchanted River. What makes this river so enchanting? For starters, its waters are an almost otherworldly shade of deep blue, so striking that many believe it to be the result of magic. Despite its beauty, the river's true depth has never been fully explored. Local legends say that spirits and fairies guard the river, and it's said that fish appear and disappear without any clear reason. Scientists have found that saltwater and freshwater mix here, creating a unique ecosystem. But the true source of the river's magical blue hue remains a puzzle. Whether you believe in the legends or not, one thing is certain. The Hinatuan Enchanted River is a captivating natural wonder that continues to baffle and amaze. Intrigued by this aquatic mystery? You have to see it to believe it.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.